Let me ask you something. Do you remember 2019? It feels like yesterday, but at the same time, 2020 feels like it happened a lifetime ago. And here's something even stranger. Scientists says millions of people across the world report the same feeling. Time started moving faster after 2020. Not metaphorically, not emotionally, but psychologically. And here's the part nobody talks about. Thousands of years ago, an ancient Indian story described the exact same phenomenon. A king who left Earth for a few minutes and returned to find millions of years had passed. How? Why? Is it just mythology or something much deeper? Hold that question because the answer will shock you. Let's start with science because this phenomenon is very real called time perception distortion. Here's a simple example. Think back to your childhood summer vacation. They felt endless, right? But today, a whole year passes in what felt like weeks. Why? Because your brain measures time using memories, not clocks. Imagine two kids waiting for a school bus. One is bored, staring at the road, and other is playing an exciting game on a phone. The bored child time feels slow. For the excited one, it flies. Same clock, different experience because time is not what passes, time is what your brain remembers. Neuroscientists discovered your brain has no direct time sensor. Instead, it calculates time based on novel experience, emotional intensity, memory formation, which leads to a shocking insight. The less new experiences you have, faster time feels in hindsight. During lockdown, daily routine collapsed. Travel stopped, social life shrank, days became repetitive. Your brain recorded fewer unique memories. So when you look back now, your brain compresses that period and it feels like time jumped forward. Let me ask you, do you feel time moving faster after 2020 or slower? Comment below because your answer reveals how your brain processes time. But here's where things get fascinating because science says that time only feels faster. Yes, physics says time itself can actually change the speed. In 1915, Albert Einstein proved something unbelievable. Time is not fixed, it stretches, slows, bends, just like space. This concept was called relativity. Imagine twin brothers, one stays on Earth and other travels near light speed in space. When the traveler returns, he is younger than his brother. The same lifetime, different time flows. This is not theory, it has been experimentally proven. GPS satellites must adjust for time dilation daily, otherwise, your Google map would be off by 10 kilometers per day. Yes, relativity literally affects your phone navigation. The stronger the gravity, slower the time moves. Near a black hole, 1 hour can equal years on earth, which brings us something astonishing. An ancient Indian story describes exactly this. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, there is a story about King Kakodmi and his daughter Revati. The king travels to Brahma's celestial realm to seek advice about her marriage. They waited briefly while the divine music plays. Just a short time, but when they returned to earth, everything was gone. Their kingdom, their people, their civilization, because 27 Chatur Yugas had already passed. That equals to 116 million years. Think of watching a movie inside a theater. You lose track of time. Outside world continues normally. Now imagine that effect on a cosmic scale. That's exactly what this story describes. The concept of different time speeds in different realms appears in Hindu text, Buddhist cosmology, Greek mythology, and even modern physics theory of multiverse time. This shows something very powerful. Humans across cultures have long intuited that time is relative. Do you think ancient people understood time differently than we do today? Or is it just symbolic storytelling? Let me know your views in the comments down below. Here's a mind blowing psychological truth. Each year feels shorter as you age, not because time speeds up, but because proportional perception. For a 10-year-old, 1 year is 10% of their life. For 50-year-old, 1 year is just 2% of their life. So naturally, it feels shorter. Studies show people who try new experiences regularly feels time moving slower and richer. That's why travel learning challenges stretch your perception of time. Ancient Indian system viewed time as not linear but cyclical: days, season, yugas, cosmic cycles. Time was seen as a living rhythm, not a mechanical ticking clock. Modern cosmology surprisingly aligns with this idea. The universe itself may operate in cycle. Scientists estimate the human brain processes time differently depending on attention. When distracted, time accelerates. When fully aware, time slows, which explains the meditation effects. So, is time actually speeding up since 2020? Science says no, but your perception of time absolutely is. And ancient wisdom explored this long ago, not as formula but through powerful stories. Because sometimes story explain reality in ways equation cannot. Before you leave, answer this. If you could slow time in one moment of your life, which moment would you choose and why? Tell me in the comments down below because your answer reveals how your brain values time.